The workers and labourers are the hardest hit during this lockdown period. Daily wage earners are now finding it extremely difficult even to have 2 square meals a day. Whether they're living in shelter homes or sleeping on the footpaths or under the flyovers as well, they're struggling to make ends meet. This is a ground reality. My colleague Gaurav Sawant is getting you this ground report from the industrial belt of Delhi NCR. Take a look.
On an empty stomach, Kishori and her 4-year-old daughter make a desperate dash for the food van. A hungry Kishori drags her little daughter, half fearful the food packets would run out by the time she reaches. In her desperation for food, she breaks the queue, only to be pushed back to the rear end of the queue by equally desperate factory workers. By the time her number comes, there is hardly anything left for her to take. Though Kishori manages to get 4 rotis and curry, there is nothing left for her daughter or some other daily wagers.
क्या बेटा मिला नहीं आपको? हाँ? नहीं मिला?
Some of them waited in a queue for almost half an hour, but they couldn't get a meal. Some others came running quite some distance. They'd heard that food was being distributed on this road. Some are going happy. They've got at least the next meal. Others still uncertain. Where will this meal or even the next come from? More than a month into the lockdown, the daily wagers and factory workers are in panic, unable to get even 2 square meals a day.
कभी-कभी 24 घंटा बाद मुझे खाना मिला है, वो भी कभी 4 रोटी, कभी 3 रोटी, पूरी खाना नहीं मिलता है यहाँ पे। और खाना नए गांव से यहाँ तक आना पड़ता है। नए गांव पर ऐसा खाना मिलता है जिसमें आटा लिपटा हुआ है, सब जली फूकी रोटी है, सोयाबीन आलू है, रोज डेली वही सब्जी है। क्योंकि किसी क्रम की सब्जी से भैंस ही नहीं खाएंगी सर, ऐसी सब्जी दे रहे हैं मेरे खाने के लोगों के लिए। यहाँ पे नए गाँव
कितने लोग हैं
हमारे परिवार में? 7 लोग हैं सर।
और 7 लोग के लिए 4 रोटी?
7 लोग के लिए मतलब सब लोग 2 लोग लेने लगते हैं तो वो 10-12 रोटी मिल पाती हैं। अब बच्चे खाते हैं बार बार, कहाँ से उतना पूरा हो जाएगा सर? अपना भूखे रह जाते, बच्चों को खिलाते हैं, क्या करें
सर? पैसे मान चलो 5 रुपए दे देते हैं तो 500 में 10 दिन के लिए क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं होता है। ये इतनी सर महंगाई हो गई है।
The story is not very different in Noida, Greater Noida, or even the Surajpur industrial belt.
सुबह तो कोई किसी भी तरह नहीं खा रहे, किसी भी तरह हो रहा है, मतलब बिना खाने के बराबर है। सिर्फ रात को खा रहे पैसे के लिए, पैसे कम होते जा रहे हैं। किसी के पास 400, किसी के पास 500 बचा और नहीं है, क्योंकि 1 तारीख को सैलरी मिला था, उसके बाद नहीं मिला। जिसका भी जो था एडवांस भी था, काट गया सारे।
लॉकडाउन बढ़ गया तो हम लोग भूखा मरे। मालिक भी कुछ खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं दिया और सीधा बोल के गया इसके बाद नहीं मिलेगा सर।
Their meager savings lasted them a month, but now their resources are also running dry. Manju Devi is literally scraping the bottom of the barrel at home. She has 3 children to feed, and the lockdown has now begun to hurt.
खाने पीने की समस्या सर, दिक्कत आ रही है, परेशानी है। और जैसे दाल चावल यही बना के नहीं खाते हैं, जब आटा ख़त्म हो जाता है, आटा महंगा है। दूध की भी परेशानी है, कभी कभार दूध बंद हो जाता है तो वैसे पाउडर का भी दूध ले तो बच्चों को लिए उसमें से पिला देते हैं, चाय पानी उसी में से।
Her husband is the foreman of the factory, shut for over a month. He was paid last month's salary, but Ashok Kumar is not sure, with the factory shut, if wages will be paid this month.
22 तारीख से कंपनी बंद है। अब कहां से खाएं, कहां से पिएं? घर में आटा दाल कुछ है नहीं। अब 22 तारीख से अब तक मतलब कैसे कैसे कर रहे हैं हम ही जाने।
The local shopkeepers, he says, are now charging more even for milk, wheat, rice and pulses. Their food stocks are running low. Parents are eating less so that at least children get to eat a full meal. They've braved the lockdown for over a month. But now, with factories shut for 34 days and counting, the question is, if there is no work, how long will they continue to get paid, and how will the next salary or the next meal come on their table? Some factory owners admit they are not in a position to both feed and pay their labor. They've kept the labor in factories and fed them so far, but if the lockdown continues, feeding and paying them will be easier said than done. These massive machines have been shut for over a month now. Will they remain shut even longer? Uncertainty looms large over the future of factory workers and owners here. So far, they say, lives have been saved even though livelihoods may have been lost. But will the lockdown continue even further, and saving both lives and livelihoods now becomes their biggest challenge? With cameraman Kripal Singh in Greater Noida, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.